So over here you can see that I have Google Tasks opened up right here. And what you can actually also do in Google Task is you can go ahead and create out task directly by using Google Keep as well. For example, I can go ahead right here and let's say for example, click on take note right here. And I can go ahead and say something like my task right here. And now over here, I'm going to go ahead and say, let's say for example, take note on the meeting. Let's say for example. So now as I do this, I can actually go ahead and then add in, let's say for example, a reminder right here. So let's just go ahead and say tomorrow right here. And once you do that, what happens is that this becomes my task right here, and over here you can see that it actually comes up right here, and you can see it says it's from Keep. So as I click right here, it opens up Google Keep right here, just like this, as you can see, and this task is opened up. So if you were to go ahead and add in a reminder, let's say for example, I'm going to go around over here and add in a remind me section right here onto next week, let's say for example, then this actually now becomes a task, and then you would see it under my task right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So whatever you add in right here is added in directly over here onto Google Task. And that is how you can go ahead and sync out Google Keep that you have right here to Google Tasks right here, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.